Well, in this chapter, our first question is use trigonometric tables to find sine of first one 21 degrees and second one 34 degrees 42 minutes and third one 47 degrees 32 minutes and fourth one 62 degrees 57 minutes and fifth one 10 degrees 21 minutes plus 20 degrees 45 minutes. So these are the 5 questions given under first question. So we need to take the sine table and in it we need to check for this respective angles that are given. So here first of all 21 degrees is given, sine 21 we need to find out. So we will take the sine table here. So how to see the values of the sine? So consider 21 degrees. So under degrees section, just scroll up, check for the 21 degree. So this is 21 degree. So for 21 degree at a 0, that means after 21 you don't have any minutes. So at 0 minutes, at 0 minutes the value of 21 degrees is 0.3584. okay, so this is the value 0.3584. so sine 21 degree is equal to 0.3584 is the value for the given angle. Consider second one 34 degrees and 42 minutes. So we'll go to the table again. So here 34 degrees. So this is the 34 degree value. Under that we need to check for 42 minutes. So for 42 minutes we need to check where it comes. So 42 is this column. So at this column we need to check the respective angle, like 34 degrees and 42 minutes comes under here. So this is 5693. So the value is 0.5693 is the value of sine 34 degrees and 42 minutes. We'll go to the next one. Third one is 47 degrees 32 minutes. So go to the table, 47 degrees. So 47 degrees comes here. So this is 47 degrees. And at what minute it is? It is 32. So we need to check the 32 minutes. So 32, here we have 30 but no 32, we have 36. So at this gap we can check the mean difference. From 32 is another mean difference is 2. So at 2 we need to check for the respective angle, which is here 4, and this 30 we need to get 7373 is 47 degrees 30 minutes, and after that another 2 minutes are there. So for the 2 minutes we have 4. If you add this 4 to here, you will get 73 plus 4 77. So 7377 is the value for that angle. We will write down right now. So for 47 degrees 30 minutes we have 0.7373, and another 2 minutes is there. Under mean difference we got that value as 4. So the answer is 7737, that is 0.7377 is the value, sine value for this angle. Now come to this one, 62 degrees 57 minutes. Go to the table, 62 degrees. So here 62 degrees is this one, 62 degrees. So under which minute we need to check? 57 minutes. So 57, where we get it? For 57, after 54 we have another 3 minutes. So for that 3 minutes you need to check for 3 here also, mean difference 3 also. So 54 is the last one in this. So 62 under 57, this is the value of 62 degrees 54 minutes. So for another 3 you have 4 is there. So 4 to be added to this one. 8902 plus 4. So for 62 degrees 54 minutes we have 0.8902, and for that we are adding 4. So you will get a 6098. So total sine value of 62 degrees 57 minutes will be 0.8906. And come to the next one. Next one, here it is split into 2 angles. So just add that one. So 10 degrees, another 20 degrees, you will get 30 degrees. And 21 and 45. 21 and 45 will give 66 minutes. But 60 minutes will be taken as an angle 1 degree. So here it will be 1 degree, 31 degrees 6 minutes. It will become 31 degrees 6 minutes. So this 66 can be written as 60 minutes plus 6 minutes. This 60 minutes will be 1 degree. So that 1 degree we are adding to 30. So 31 degrees 6 minutes is the angle that we are going to find. So for 31 degrees and 6 minutes, go to the table. 31. This is 31 degrees. This is 0 minutes. And then we need 6 minutes. So 6 minutes is this second column. So under second column at 31 and second column we have 5165 is the value. Okay. So now the value is 5165. So for this sine value is 0.5165 is the answer for the angles that are given here. All these are sine angles. Sine of this angle will give these values. So student, we have gone through a precise table while we are writing for sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. But for smaller values or random values, we didn't find any proper table, but these sine tables are given at the back side of your textbook. So there if you see at particular angle and particular minute we have been given with some value. That value we need to use for sine ratios. Our next question is use tables to find cosine value of. The first one is 2 degree 4 minutes and second one is 8 degrees 12 minutes and third one is 26 degrees 32 minutes and fourth one is 65 degrees 41 minutes and fifth one is 9 degrees 23 minutes plus 15 degrees 54 minutes. So for these angles we need to find out the cosine values. So cos table we need to consider. So I am taking cos table now. So we need to find, first of all we need to find out 2 degree and 4 minutes. Go to cos table. Here 2 degree and 4 minutes we need to, but here the gap is from 0 to 6 only. That minute gap is 0 to 6 only. So go for mean difference, that is 4 here. So for 4 you have 1 here at that 2 degrees. So 2 degrees 0 for this 0, that means 0.9994. For that we are adding 1. So you will have 9995. So for this, for 2 degrees at 0 minutes, you have value of 0.9994 and for 4 minutes it is 1. So the total value is 5999. 0.9995 is the cos of 2 degrees 4 minutes. So this is the value. Now come for 8 degrees and 12 minutes. So for 8 degrees and 12 minutes, 8 degrees and 12 minutes. So this is the value. 9898 is the direct value from the table. So cosine of 8 degrees 12 minutes, it is the value of 0.9898. Now come to 26 degrees 32 minutes. Go to the table. 26 degrees 32 minutes. So we can get 30, but 2, for that we need to go for mean difference. So go to 26 degrees. This is 26 degrees and so this is 8949 is the value for 26 degrees 30 minutes, 8949. And for another mean difference 2, we have another value 3 at mean difference. So if you add this 3 to here, you will get the exact value. So first of all it is 8949 should be added to 3. For 26 degrees 30 minutes it is 8949 and for those 2 minutes mean difference you will have 3. Just add that one, you have 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 this is 5 and 9 8. So the value is 0.8952 for cos 26 degrees 32 minutes. Now consider 65 degrees and 41 minutes. Consider the cos table. 65 degrees 41 minute. So 65 degrees 41 minutes will be not exactly 41. We have 36 there. So till 36 what is the value? 0.4131. So this is the value which is 65 degrees 36 minutes. To get 41, still we need 5, another 5 as mean difference. So get the 5 value, where it is, mean difference 5. This mean difference 5 will give a value like 13. Okay, this is the 13. So 13 should be added to this one. So 4131 should be added to 13. So for 65 degrees 36 minutes you have 4131, and for another 5 minutes mean difference we have value 13. So just add that one, 4414. So the answer will be 0.4144 is the value for cos 65 degrees 41 minutes. Now come to here. Here the angle is split into two types, 9 degrees 23 minutes and 15 degrees 54 minutes. So if we add this one, you will have 2 plus 4, 3 plus 4, that is 7, and 2 plus 5, which will be 7 only, but after 6 we need to bring a carry here. So that will be 7 will be made into 6 plus 1. So 1 you can write here and another 1 you can write. The 6 will become 1 to here. So 6 plus 9 will have 15, 5 and 1, this is 25. So total 25 degrees 70 minutes is the exact angle that you need to find the cosine value. So let's see for 25 at desired minutes. So cos 25, we can have 25, we don't have 17 there, we have 12 or 18. You can take 18 and subtract the mean difference, or you can take 12 and add the mean difference. So here I am taking 12, so I am splitting this angle like 25 degrees 12 minutes and another 5 minutes to check at the mean difference value. 25 degrees and 12 minutes we have a value of 9048, and at mean difference of 5 you have a value of 6. So this 6 added to this one. So 9048 is the cosine value of this one, 0.9048, and at mean difference at 5 minutes you have 6 is the value. So now we added this. So 8, 6, 14, 1, and this is 5, 0, 9. So the total value is 0.9054 is the value for cos 25 degrees 17 minutes. Okay, so like this we need to check the values from the tables. Our next question is, use the trigonometric ratios to find the tangent of, the first one is 37 degrees and the second one is 42 degrees 18 minutes and the third one is 17 degrees 27 minutes. Now consider tan table to find this one. 37, tan 37 is, this is tan table, and tan 37 is, 37 at a 0 is 7536. So 0.7536 is the value of tan at this angle. So direct one, we can easily point that one. Now consider 42 degrees 18 minutes. So we need to find 42 degrees 18 minutes. Go to the table, 42 degrees. So we have 18 minutes column is there directly. This is the fourth column. So now go to 42 degrees and 18 minutes. At 18 minutes, which is 0.9099. So that is the value. Direct value is there. So 0.9099 is the tangent of this value. And next one is 17 degrees 27 minutes. So here it is 17 degrees 24 minutes will be having direct value, and later the remaining 3 minutes we need to check in mean difference. So 17 degrees 24 minutes. So for 17 degrees 24 minutes we have 3134, and another mean difference 3 is there, so there you will have 10. So 3134 plus 10. So for 17 degrees 24 minutes we have 0.3134, and at mean difference you have 10, value 10, so you have to add 10 for this. So it is 4413. So 0.3144 is the value for tan at this angle, that is 17 degrees 27 minutes. So we split into 17 degrees 24 minutes because at 24 only we have the direct value, and from there another 3 minutes of mean difference is there. For that 3 minutes we got mean difference as 10, and we added that mean difference to this 3134, so we got 3144 as the value.